AnnyeongAisyasya. Assalamualaikum everyone. AnnyeongAisyasya. Welcome to our new video today. Yes, we are going to make a very famous Korean dish, and I'm pretty sure all of you Korean culture lovers out there, no, not Korean culture lovers, but all of you who are very familiar with Korean culture must know about this dish. And also, K-drama lovers out there will certainly know what's the name of this dish. It always appears on K-drama and it looks so tempting, we decided to make a video about it today. Yes, I put up about this on my Instagram story, whether you guys want to know about the recipe or not. And a lot of you guys said yes, so here's for you guys. So what are we waiting for? Let's get on to the video! First off, you will need the aromatic vegetables to make your dish wangi, ada that aromatic smell, you know, sesedap di bau. So, halal, and then garlic. Garlic 6 cloves pun okay, or if you don't like garlic that much, you can put 5 or 4. And you will also need green onions like this, just a little amount je. Actually, korang boleh tahu kalau nak letak potato ke, radish ke, or zucchini, pickled radish. Mungkin Malaysians tak familiar sangat dengan pickled radish, rasa dia masam-masam sikit. That's why you can just sit back and watch this video because I've selected the ingredients that are easily available at the mart. You can always purchase it anytime at the grocery store. Tak payah nak cari-cari, ni zucchini ke, ni ke, you know, tak payah. Save time and it's very simple, so it's gonna be easier for you, hopefully. Next is garlic. Just slice sampai dia jadi kecil-kecil ni. I think that's enough. Next is you have to add green onions. Okay, so that's it for the aromatic vegetables. Kita potong bawang Holland dalam cubic size, not too big, not too small. Take this much sayur kobis, cabbage, and then we're going to cut half. Lepas tu daripada sini kita slice lagi. Saya left hander, that's why I'm using my left hand. We've got our bawang Holland and sayur kobis together. And actually sayur ni I adjusted the quantity a bit sebab I like vegetables tapi I don't really eat that much, you know. So saya potong half sikit lah quantity dia. In other words, korang boleh adjust sendiri ikut your own preferences. And then masak your own lah, your own version of jjajangmyeon. Koreans ni diorang selalu guna pork meat untuk sedapkan lagi diorang punya jjajangmyeon. And in our case, we should use meat lah. Tapi sebab sekarang ni meat tak ada, daging tak ada, so we're gonna skip that part and terus tumiskan apa yang dah potong-potong tadi. Okay, now the important ingredient. This is mashinen jjajangmyeon or Chinese black bean paste. Actually, black bean paste ni korang boleh buat sendiri juga. There's YouTube videos yang tunjuk macam nak buat sendiri black bean paste from scratch. But then to save time, I'm gonna use this and it can be eaten. Ramai juga actually yang tanya macam mana korang cari makanan kat sini, halal ke, susah ke nak cari makanan halal, macam mana korang, you know, things like that. And actually, the most important thing is since negara ni pun majoritinya bukan Islam. So the most important thing is you have to look at the list of ingredients. Contoh macam ni, adalah dia akan tunjuk ingredients semua in Korean language. And you have to properly tengok sama ada tak unsur daging ke, arak, kan, ayam, lembu, khinzir dan lain-lain. And kalau ada, memang kena wajib elakkan. Sebab tu sangat-sangat penting untuk tengok ingredients kat sini. Memang we are very particular about this and tak semua makanan kita boleh makan. Just put a fair amount. Okay. And then kita put in all the ingredients yang dah potong tadi dalam pan. Tumis dalam few minutes sampai dia harum, sampai dia naik bau. Like ini soften. Ni low heat lah, nanti takut hangus sangat pula. And then boleh masukkan bawang dan juga kubis yang dah potong tadi. Look at that view eh. Okay. Kacau-kacau. Okay, kita tambah chicken stock. And chicken stock ni kita orang guna Maggi cube pati ayam je. Sebab memang kita orang buat dari Malaysia. And Maggi for the win. Sedap gila. So guna dalam 1 cube. Lepas tu tambah gula dalam 1,5 sudu. Gaul dalam 15 minit macam tu. And sampai sayur ni dah nampak masak. Okay, so sementara kita tunggu sayur ni siap, kita boil dulu 3/4 of water into this one periuk. And then after it boils, kita masukkan oriental wheat flour noodles, or you can even use Chinese noodles. And the portion is quite big, so you don't have to worry. Sebab ni nampak sikit kan, actually dia banyak je. And also jjajangmyeon sauce ni can be eaten with rice, and it's called jjajangpap. Ni jjajangmyeon kan, myeon is actually noodles in Korean, and pap is rice. So jjajangmyeon and jjajangpap both taste good. Make sure it spreads well and wait for it to cook. It has been more than 6 minutes. Kita akan angkat the boiled myeon and tapis, filter the water out. Sayur is almost ready. Now you have to perlukan cornstarch, but now we don't have cornstarch, so I'm going to use all-purpose flour, which is this one, and just put 1.5 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Air pun dalam 1.5 sudu. Lebih steam tak apa, adjust lah nanti. And then kacau to give it that thick and glossy look. Tapi almost segini je.
But 5 people kan?
3 people.
No, we're 5 people. Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Very hungry?
Yes, macam boleh puasa je.
Sebab actually kita orang tak makan apa-apa lagi.
Kita dendam.
Ooh. Now the jjajangmyeon sauce is done. It's very creamy and it's very thick. Like this. Ooh. Look at that beauty. Macam tu je. It's easy, right? It doesn't even take 30 minutes, less than that. And it's quite a simple process masa korang tengok tadi. So you guys can try it home. And if you happen to try our recipe, let us know by tagging us on Insta or comments. You know, just let us know how it tastes like. Now we're gonna have our meal, the jjajangmyeon. Ta-da!